Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Trojan Bareskin condoms, where the big draw is a design so thin you'll practically forget they exist. It's all about making things feel natural and connected, which is a nice change of pace for anyone who thinks standard latex feels like wearing a hazmat suit to a pool party. The fit is the real hero here, snug enough to stay put without making you feel like you're in a vice grip. They even come pre-lubricated with a silky finish that manages to be smooth without turning the whole experience into a slip-and-slide accident. However, that barely there feeling comes with a bit of a gamble. While most users love the sensitivity, a few have reported the occasional breakage or slippage, which is slightly concerning given that protection is literally the only reason we're here. It's the ultimate irony, a product so thin that when it fails, you might not even notice it's gone AWOL. Because nothing spices up the mood quite like wondering if your safety net just pulled a vanishing act. If your sessions tend to be long or particularly energetic, you might want to use some extra lubricant and do a quick status check every now and then. One user even mentioned they couldn't tell if the thing had abandoned ship because it was so thin, which is a level of stealth mode nobody actually asked for. Trojan Bareskin definitely wins on the intimacy front. Just make sure you're staying alert so that natural feeling doesn't accidentally lead to 18 years of unexpected responsibility.